So I'm giving a talk maybe next November, between the 3 and 5 November, and I'm preparing a series of videos to support this talk. This talk will be about certification is not bling bling, it's how we make production sing. So here it is the first section, it is no freestyle on production. And the thing is, with certification, you help yourself to not doing freestyle in what you deliver in production with the punchline, the rap punchline, because I will speaking about bling bling. So the theme is about the rap punchline, and the first punchline is still taking my time to perfect the beat of Dr. Dre in Still Dre song. And the thing is, like the principle, practice makes it perfect. So the translation is mastery is not improvisation without discipline. You earn credibility by repeating the fundamentals until the beat is solid. So you dig it, you perfect it, you make it strong to be reliable in production. And the first slide about this is about the blind spot, because if you do freestyle learning creates blind spot. Fast shipping is useful, but random learning is dangerous. The thing is, when you do, like we could say with the expression monkey business, which means you have a problem, you search it, you copy paste from Stack Overflow or ChatGPT, you fix it, then you ship it. You do that without really thinking, without having the abstraction, the level of abstraction, the level of overview to understand the whole picture. So what freestyle learning gives you is fast progress on happy path, local confidence in familiar code, enough knowledge to ship features, but there are some caveats. What production will expose is observability added too late, which is the first problem. Transaction misunderstood under pressure, because the stuff which is complex, if you do only copy paste without thinking, you will deliver maybe some things that is not really reliable when you will use it in the corner case. And APIs that cannot evolve safely, because maybe you did something quick, but you didn't have the really good picture of it, and you did not prepare it to evolve. And lastly, one of the biggest problems in security nowadays is security treated as a final layer. Security and cybersecurity is very important nowadays with all the problem it provokes. So you need to have it from the beginning. And so certification is a map, it is not a crown. The thing is, when you study the certification, when you cram for it, you have the whole map. You know what is inside the technology, what the framework proposes, what you can do with the framework. It is a kind of, the menu of what you can do. And if you do not study the certification, you might miss some of the big feature of this framework. So it is not a crown. It is not saying, hey, I have the certification, I am the champion of the technology. It is to be able to say, I know now that I studied the certification that I can do that, and that. And I'm able to provide you the best service, the relevant service, the one that is the most relevant for your use case. So a map does not replace the territory. It helps you get lost. You will not maybe have all the practice about this, but you will at least know what you can do with the content of the technology. So the thing is, it gives structure to what senior developers often learn by accident. You do not learn it by accident. No, you have the scope. You know what you can dig in a specific case. It forces contact with topics that do not appear in every sprint, because daily in your daily job you see the recurrent topics, but you might miss some topics that do not happen very often. So you might miss some very important feature of the framework. It helps team use the same vocabulary for design, trade-off, and risk. Vocabulary is very important because communication is key in solving problems and in maintenance of the application. And it turns I know Spring into I know where Spring draws the contract. You know what you can do with Spring. Key sentence, the badge is optional. It's not about bling bling. The map is valuable. It is how you make production sing. Street cred in tech is operation trust. And as I said, I insist a last time about on it, not look at me, more you can rely on me. It is not about, having some big ego and saying, no, I am the key person and I am the best of the best, etc. It is, no, I have knowledge that can help you, and we can do things together. So the thing is, you know why the framework behaves the way it behaves. There is no more random understanding. You can debug beyond copy-paste recipes. No more Stack Overflow copy-paste. No more ChatGPT copy-paste without understanding. You can copy-paste, but by knowing what you copy-paste, you can then filter what is wrong, what is good, and take the best of it. You can explain trade-offs to a team and to a client. It is very important that you be proficient in your topic to be able to then explain it to somebody that is not familiar with the technology. And finally, you build services that are easier to run, observe, secure, and evolve, or you make production sing. Thank you very much, and maybe see you in the next video, the section 2 of this series, certifications not bling bling, is how we make production sing. Bye bye.